Hey, it's Matthew here. Today we're going to be looking at some match decks. See that? See, tops. Tops are the makers of match decks. You know that? And here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with limited edition Neymar. Pretty rare. See, there. Limited edition rainbow foil. There. Yep. Now Lionel Messi star player, also rainbow foil. You can see there. And also another rainbow foil, Steven Gerrard star player. There we go. Pretty cool. And then you got Aguero man of the match. See? Aguero, you can see that there. There we go. Argentina forward. There's difference. See, forward there. Good. And there's Daniel Sturridge. See, for England. 4-star there. Now let's get on to the next page. Let's go Yaya Toure, another rainbow foil player. 11.8 million there. Up there, see. Right. And then there's Gigi Buffon. 6.5 million. There we go. 5-star goalkeeper for Italy. Good man. And then next, who shall we do? Let's do Fabio Contrario. Nice defender. 4 stars. There we go. Then Pepe. There we go. Defender. Joe Hart. England. Goalkeeper. 5 stars. Go on the next page. Robin Van Persie, man of the match there. See, 17.0 million. Then we got Schweinsteiger for Germany, midfielder, 5 stars. And then 10.5 million there. And then we have Vincent Kompany, man of the match there. And Luka Modric, man of the match there. As you can see. Let's go on the next page. And we have Joe Hart, Man City there, as you can see. We have Oscar, Chelsea. 80 attack, 43 defense, 5-star midfielder. And now we have Wilfred Boney, forward for Ivory Coast. Louis van Gaal for Netherlands, Man United. And we have Higuain, Argentina, forward there. Thomas Muller, forward for Germany. Samuel Eto'o, forward for Cameroon. That's it there. Paulino for Brazil, nice midfielder, 4 stars, pretty cool. And the Glory Hunter, David Silva, the Glory Hunter. Look at him. 9.5 million. He shouldn't be worth that much. He's only a